Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download any song or playlist on Spotify. So first you need to open Spotify on your mobile phone or desktop. The method will be same on any device. So before I start, I want to mention that the downloading feature is available only for premium accounts. If you don't have a premium account, then you need to click on upgrade and you will get the first 3 months for free. You can see that I am eligible for 3 months for free. So after you have got the premium account, so if I want to download this playlist, all you need to do is click on this arrow which is download icon. So after you have clicked it, the song or playlist will start downloading and you will be able to see your downloads in this folder. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And I will see you in the next one.